Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to share with you a magazine that I just picked up. I was watching my friend Audrey, who is so good all here on YouTube. Hey Audrey, she shared a project using this alt new layered rose, and she shared her lovely card that she made, and she said that she had bought this magazine and used these flowers that came with the magazine. I had never purchased one of these magazines from the UK before. This is actually my first UK magazine purchase, so I'm very pleased. I will link Audrey's channel in the description box below. Also, shout out to Mo's Creations, who is Melissa, and also Shandi, she's Alizé Crafts. I'll leave all three ladies' channels in the description box below because they have all made some inspiring projects using layered roses. And so that is what got me wanting to pick this up and try it. And I know I have several different rose dyes, but I just had to have this one. So I went to Barnes & Noble and I picked this up. So this is where you can find the magazine. I think that you also can purchase them at Joann's craft stores, but I picked mine up at Barnes & Noble, and it's issue 174 in case you are wondering. It comes with this layered rose die set, so you get all three layers, and then you also get the layered leaves, which is so awesome. And then it basically tells you, it gives you the instructions on how to layer the flower. So I just think that is so awesome. It was $14.99, I believe, for the magazine, in case you're wondering. I'll do a little flip through for the magazine if you'd like to see it. It's just so awesome. It has lots of great ideas. I was just blown away with all the inspiration that you can get out of this magazine, and especially they give you, looks like, several ideas on how to use that rose dye that they featured. That's free. I mean, look at that cute little bunny with that little egg behind it, and then that little bunny itself looks really cute. I'm gonna have to see what that's about. That's probably an SVG file, I'm guessing. I'm not even sure, but I'm just really excited about this magazine, and obviously it features a lot of new products. And then there is that rose, which is absolutely gorgeous. So many inspiring cards in here, and it tells you exactly what you will need and products that were used to make the card. So that is just so awesome, and I cannot wait to play with this. You have no idea. So anyway, I just thought I would come on and just share with you this magazine. Maybe you were like me and you've never purchased this magazine before. I guess I'm in the dark. I mean, I've actually seen these magazines in the craft stores. I never picked them up. I mean, I was a magazine subscription holder to several magazines, Creating Keepsakes, and there was another one that I was subscribed to for years, and then all of a sudden I just completely stopped buying craft magazines. I don't even know why. I've actually been featured in craft magazines. I used to submit my work, and they would feature my layouts, my scrapbooking layouts, a long time ago. I haven't tried to submit anything recently. But anyway, I just wanted to come on quickly and share with you this magazine. Awesome find, and I definitely recommend picking it up. Definitely check out the three ladies that I shouted out in the video. Their links will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.